This is Karen Ranzi of Feel Fabulous with Food here on YouTube and feelfabulouswithfood.com. I am so excited that I have been hosting vegan and raw food live and online events now for 35 years. This one that you'll see today is the Women's Health Retreat Day that I host annually, and we have so much fun. Women come from all over the Northeast, and it is a super fun day of raw and vegan discussion and coaching and dancing and yoga and meditation and delicious raw vegan food. See here all of our activities, what we ate, and the wonderful camaraderie of bringing all these health-conscious, plant-powered women together. This is the 2026 Plant-Powered Women's Health Retreat Day in New Jersey, hosted by Karen Ranzi and Gail Zekri. We start with wonderful yoga and meditation with Gail.
Go ahead. Take a deeper breath in.
Followed by a delicious raw vegan brunch, which you will see now. Scrumptious and healthy dishes such as delicious chia pudding, mango and papaya, and that's chia and berry pudding, and key lime tart, and golden kiwi, an amazing salad with zucchini slivers, and beet salad, cucumber salad with avocado dressing, and plantain pancakes, wonderful salad all over again, key lime tart, papaya and mango, banana wild blueberry ice cream, and the chia berry pudding. All so wonderful and delicious. Everybody had a great time. And here, Gail is adding to her fruit leathers. This is a fruit-based meal that's made gourmet style for our retreat. All delicious, healthy, gut-nourishing, very simple recipes to enjoy. Are you looking forward to eating our first fruity meal?
Yes. Looks delicious.
Enjoy.
Most people are right-handed, so
Next, we have raw food coaching and discussion with Karen about the important aspects of the physical, mental, and emotional well-being as plant-powered women. And then there's dancing. It wouldn't be a Women's Health Day without dancing. Then there is the last treat meal of the day, and that is the savory meal of mushroom burgers and cabbage carrot salad and wonderful dressings, tahini orange ginger, and a beautiful pizza loaded with veggies and pumpkin seed sausage, wow, and a romaine salad with tomato and mung bean sprouts and cauliflower tabbouleh and a buckwheat chia bread with a cashew spread, if you would like. Cauliflower tabbouleh is one of my favorites, and I love those very simple pumpkin seed herb sausages and mushroom burgers. So yummy with broccoli sprouts and a chipotle sauce. And cabbage is so nutritious. Let's take a moment to take a deep breath and prepare our bodies to settle and be nourished by this incredibly beautiful and nourishing meal. Thank you to the seeds, to the sunshine, to the farmers and growers, to the truckers, to the vendors, to the people who worked so we can afford it, and to all of our mentors who taught us this way of being, and to each and every one of us here who care about ourselves, each other, and this planet. May we, as women, be the pioneers to lead the time of compassion and nourishment.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Yeah.
Mary said, I personally received a renewed commitment to fruits and vegetables and an appreciation for a simple diet and how it supports health. I also enjoyed being among women who have a very conscious and intentional way of eating and value how unique we are in society and how important it is that we are there to support each other. I realized how lucky I am to be able to learn from such experienced teachers in both Karen and Gail, and to enjoy the abundance of wisdom as well as the beautiful, vibrant, and healthy raw food buffets. Much love, Mary. Contact me about joining my other longer retreats, my Love Raw Food and Yoga retreat in the paradise of Costa Rica, and my gorgeous Southern Colorado 4-night VIP retreat. You can contact me at Karen@feelfabulouswithfood.com. And subscribe here at Feel Fabulous with Food.